Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can set privacy that who can call you. Because Imo is also give a facility that you can select the person or friends or family member and who can call you. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. Firstly, open the Imo and then you will see the options of profile icon at top left corner. Click on it and then you will see security and privacy options. Click on it and then you will see call options and click on it. And here you can see I selected everyone. User who have added me to contact or have been added to my contact can call me. But you can select according to you. If you want to select my contact, then only your contact can call you. If you select custom, then you can select here only that person which you will select can call you. Then click on done options. So if you select nobody, then no one can call you on the emo. So in this way you can select who can call you on the emo. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and also subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.